How ChatGPT benefits developers. Writing test cases. ChatGPT can help developers to write test cases in a variety of ways. One way is by recognizing the test case's purpose and creating test inputs and expected outcomes. For example, suppose a developer asks ChatGPT to write a test case that can handle invalid input. In that case, ChatGPT may generate invalid inputs, such as special characters, empty strings, and out-of-range values. ChatGPT is helpful in writing test cases because of its ability to identify the logic and the structure behind the code you provide. Because of that, ChatGPT can write test cases covering different code paths and edge cases. For example, suppose a developer provides a code snippet and tells ChatGPT that the code should be able to handle big data sets. In that case, it can produce test inputs with big data sets. ChatGPT can also be used to generate test case documentation. It can generate short, easily understandable descriptions of the test cases, including the test inputs, predicted outcomes, and conditions under which the test cases should pass or fail. As a result, developers, even those who don't have any testing knowledge, can quickly update the given test cases, simplifying codes and explaining complex code snippets. With ChatGPT, programmers can quickly produce plain language explanations of complicated code sections, making it simpler for others to comprehend and maintain code. By automatically generating code comments and documentation, ChatGPT can be used to simplify the code. Developers can therefore save a considerable amount of time and effort. In addition, due to the model's ability to comprehend the underlying logic and structure of the code, ChatGPT-generated documentation and comments are frequently more accurate and informative than a developer might write. By assisting programmers in code refactoring and optimization, ChatGPT may also aid developers in making their code simpler. For example, the model may evaluate the code and make suggestions for enhancements, such as trimming down the code's lines or boosting efficiency. This can improve performance, make the code more readable and manageable, and result in fewer bugs. Explaining complex code snippets can be another useful function of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can simplify the understanding and use of complex code for developers by generating natural language explanations of the code. In addition, the model can describe how the various parts of the code interact to carry out a specific task by breaking complicated code into simpler ones. Since they no longer need to spend hours attempting to understand complex code, developers save a significant amount of time and effort.